Hello, my dear YouTubers, those who are new in this platform and started their channel by creating content. In this channel, you will find many topics related to IT industry. We are trying to cover more things in it. There are many places where you can publish or share your YouTube videos to get more views and more subscribers and more audience for your channel. So for that, I will firstly introduce you to the one of the website called Quora.com. And BN is this because of I'm from Bangladesh, so it is showing me BN here, but you can see your country's name here. So in this part, I will show you how you can create a Quora account and set up it. Also, how you can promote your content, YouTube content on Quora to get more audiences on your channel. Firstly, you have to create an account. So I'm going to sign up. With you can continue with Google or Facebook or anything you want. So I'm going to go with Google right now. Select my account email address. Here I will convert the language. So in this here you will find this page which is showing that what are you're interested in. So if I translate the page in English, you can see that it is asking for what are your favorite subjects. So I'm going to select some of these: technology, science, and education, business. Let's try again. Okay, education, business, and many more. You can select as you want, but I'm going to go with that. Then I will click on English, obviously, because I need the wide range of audience, and my content is also in English, so I'm going to target worldwide. So now you can see it is a language of my country. So if you want to change the language, then you can select on this and this icon and choose that add new, and I'm going to type here English and save it. Okay, it is already created, so just click on that and click on the last one, then select a language. So we are going to go with the English. You add English. Now you can see our we are now in www.quora.com. There is no BN or anything. If you are from India, then you can see IN there, right? So okay, so now we are going to go here in our profile. Our name is taken from the Google itself. So now we have to set up our profile credentials, like what we do and what is our profession. So I am going to say content creator, save it. Okay, let's see if I can add something more here at YouTube, and you can see it appears here. Now write a description about yourself. So basically it is my demo account for the purpose of this video. You can add some description about your channel or anything, so I'm not going to go with that right now. You can also change the location. You can set up your location, your education background, and employment credentials. You can also add here what you know about and what you talk about on your content. So you can add these things. So now I'm going to show you that how you can promote your YouTube links or channel content. So for that, I have to say you a few words to understand the process fully. this website has a bunch of traffic, or you can say audiences or people around worldwide. So they are asking questions in this website, and if I see that similar web, if I see on similar web that how much traffic it has or how many monthly visit it has here, and type the website and search for it, you can see it is crawling the website, and here is showing the global rank, country rank, and everything. You can see the total visit, it's a huge number, so there is a chance to get traffic from this website. So now, most important thing is you have to understand, in this website you cannot share your link directly. So what you have to do, I'm going to show you step by step. So firstly, you have to know that what is your content, and what are you talking about. It will be dependent on your content and on your channel. So in my channel, I'm talking about tech and web development, SEO, client hunting. Now I have started my YouTube channel and also showing you some methods to get audiences on your channel, and I'm also doing the same process. I'm learning also. I'm sharing the ideas with you guys so that you can also grow in the same time. So depend on your content, you have to post the videos on Quora. So how you can do this? Simply choose a topic like this one, best SEO plugin for WordPress to increase traffic. So I'm going to search about this thing which I am talking about or what I am providing. It depends on that. So if I search on here, if I search here SEO plugin for on this keyword, then I can see there are so many results we have. You can see so many results that we have. But if I go here by type, if I choose questions, so these are the questions that people are asking about SEO plugin for WordPress. Now we have to answer the questions step by step. I'm going to show you. Please understand the process very carefully. If you have any question or have any confusion about any of these things, then you can comment on the section below. So he is asking for what we have already created on as a content on our channel. So I'm going to go here, click on my video, then I'm going to see the descriptions and everything. Now click on his, here is the question, simply click on answer. As I have told you before, you can't directly post your links on Quora, so there is a process. Now I'm going to show you. So for that I will need, first of all I will need image which I have used for my YouTube thumbnail. Here is my thumbnail that I have used on my YouTube thumbnail, and I'm going to just upload it here from this button, clicking on this button. So after that I'm going to select my title from here, paste it, then I'm going to give it some descriptions, what I have written on my YouTube channel description, and also I don't need anything more. And now I'm going to add a new line here. If you are interested in this topic, or you can also write here watch the full video or watch the video here. so you can write it by yourselves. There is no issue. So if you are interested in this topic, watch the video here. Okay, so now I'm going to go here and copy the link from your channel and select the portion you want to link on, and click on A button, then click on this icon. You can see here is saying that enter a URL, so I'm going to paste the URL here, add, and if you want you can bold the letter from here. If anyone are interested in this video, so that he can click on here button, you will directly go to your channel or this particular video. Also this video I can link this one also, and click on this, add new, and if you want you can bold it, then you can post it. Now you can see our post has been created, and if I click here or here, if I click here, you can see it is redirected to our channel or our the particular content. So that is not it, you have to answer all of these questions, and you can also filter them by here. Like if you answer the very recent question, then you is a high chance to get audience. So this is it for now. I have a plan to make more videos like this one, where I will talk about YouTube tips and tricks, and how you can grow your YouTube channel. And also you will find a playlist here where I will show you how you can get more audiences on your YouTube channel. So that is it for now. Thank you for watching.